So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, our Facebook page, and today I'm back again with some really amazing craft ideas. So the first one here is we will cut the paper as shown in the video and joining them. Now what do you think it's gonna be? Oh, that was a really nice face. Now again taking another colorful paper of the same color and cutting them the way shown here, joining them, and yeah, we are making a wristband which you can play with all the time. Now the next one is using an egg tray, cut one of the egg thing. Okay, now the place where you actually give the eggs and cutting them the way shown, and we can make flowers out of them, I guess, or else you can make some dolls and something like that. So this is gonna be a doll. Yeah, adding them so that a colorful dress she's wearing, and now adding the head and making two little ponies and done. Now it's easy and really nice to make, you can actually make them for fun and then play with them. Okay, now the next one here is we all have these bottles in our home. So yeah, it's a small watering can you can mix. You can use anything. Okay. Now the next one in today's video is take another color paper and okay, I really like the leaf actually. I really don't want to do anything else for that. But okay, we'll continue making something and done. It was a hen, which was really nice and innovative. Now taking these ice cream sticks and cutting the paper as shown here, and we'll make okay, it's a fan. I personally really like these. I mean, these look so exotic and it's a easy one to make. So yeah, you can actually make them at your home. So you do try it. Now taking a Yakult bottle or any bottle you have and joining the two sticks as shown here, and with a rubber band of course. And okay, now taking a small part of the other bottle and again joining them with the help of a rubber band. And what do you think it's gonna be? It's a boat. Okay, you can actually make a boat out of it. Now taking another, you can cut this Santa Claus shape from any of the plastic thing you have in your home, and done. Now that was easy and amazing. Now the next one is taking a foil and cutting them the way shown, and okay, we are making small bugs here, and okay, adding a piece of clay and done. Now these are actually moving bugs. Now the next one in today's video is we are taking a paper and just folding and cutting it the way shown here, and what do you think the outcome gonna be? I know personally it's gonna be something really amazing. So yeah, fold it the way shown here, and yeah, folding it in again. Now folding it in a different color of a paper, and it is something, I think, what the thing is which you have in two colors. Okay, now make so many of these and join them, and you can make a star out of them so that you can use it to decorate your Christmas trees and other decorating things. So you can actually decorate your house with these. Now the next one in today's video is cutting the bottle as shown here and joining the papers again as shown and cutting them. Now I know what we are going to make. It's a lantern, I guess. Either a lantern or a decorative item like a wind chime or something. So if it is a wind chime, I would be really happy because I personally really like them. So okay, it is a wind chime now. Done. So thank you.